Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious teriyaki chicken. Start by preparing your chicken, cutting it into uniform 1-inch pieces. This ensures everything cooks evenly. Gather all your sauce ingredients now, such as soy sauce, mirin, and sake, so they are ready to combine. This simple upfront organization will make the rest of your cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. You will create a fantastic meal with minimal fuss. Whisk together the soy sauce, mirin, sake, and sugar to form your simple, flavorful marinade. Allow the chicken to sit in this mixture for a minimum of 15 minutes, letting those delightful flavors begin to meld. Next, heat some vegetable oil in your pan until it shimmers gently. Carefully place the chicken into the hot skillet, searing each side for about 3 to 4 minutes, creating a wonderful caramelized crust. This initial searing locks in the juices and develops a rich, savory foundation. Once the chicken is perfectly seared, carefully remove it from the skillet and let it rest momentarily. Now, pour the remaining marinade and a little extra water into the hot pan, scraping up any delicious brown bits from the bottom. Allow this sauce to gently simmer and reduce for about 3 to 5 minutes, watching as it thickens into a beautiful glaze. Return your chicken to the pan, ensuring every piece is wonderfully coated in that glossy, savory teriyaki. This step brings all the flavors together. Let the chicken continue to simmer gently in the sauce for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing that wonderful glaze to fully develop and become beautifully sticky. Give it a gentle stir now and then, ensuring every piece is thoroughly coated in the rich teriyaki. You will see the sauce thicken and cling perfectly to the chicken, creating a gorgeous, shiny finish. Serve this delightful dish immediately, perhaps garnished with fresh green onions and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. It truly elevates the presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.